with the part 2 of the Tillotson engine fix-up. Who knows? Whatever you want to call it. So I got the Tillotson on the mini bike. It had this Predator put on the Tillotson. Last time I talked to you, I said that I was getting a gasket kit. I got that gasket kit. This is what comes in the kit. 2 side cover gaskets, 2 head gasket, like gaskets for the head. Then all your carburetor gaskets for 2 engines, or like 2 carburetors. And then these cap things that are for the head. In the head, there's like these seals. 2 exhaust gaskets, then 4 of these seals for like the engine in there and the other side. And then 2 head, like real head gaskets. So I put that gasket on there. I'll throw up a clip right here of me putting it on. But after I got that on, I put oil in and then put some gas in. First pull, just not even on choke. I just pulled it, ran. So then I went and put it on the mini bike. I swapped over the carburetor from the engine that was on the mini bike to this engine and threw on the custom exhaust. And I fixed the thing right there. I put a skateboard wheel in there. It's really good. Chain is still a little, like, really sloppy. That's like really sloppy. Which I can adjust that by jacking up the back of the engine a little bit with washers. But now I'm gonna throw this blue side cover on that thing and put this engine back together. Make sure that it runs like with the stock carburetor, stock everything, and then I can throw that on a go-kart or something. Here's another Predator that I got. But I'm gonna get this thing all looking nice and then take pictures and try to sell it for 550 bucks. Yeah, 550 bucks for this mini bike. I'm gonna list it for that and then try to get 500. If I could do that, that would be a good deal. I have like 900 in this thing, which is a ton of money. But anyways, swap it over. I'm gonna do a time lapse, so enjoy. So in the end of this video, I'm gonna be taking this thing on a ride. So I just got done going on the ride. I put that engine back together, looking nice. And got this thing on here. It's all nice. And then on the other side, the heat shield, black heat shield off of that engine right there. Put on here. Looks nice. Does 55, runs good. I just came back and then I think it ran out of gas, like doesn't have any gas. I literally just came back to our drive and then it shut off, so I was really lucky there. I still have to zip tie this up to there. Oh, that engine, nice and warm. But yeah. Nice bike. That ride on the, like, if you hammer it all the way, 55. I hit 56 point something. But stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna link the gasket kit in the description.